Hello Rohan.
How are you?
I am good and how are you?
I am also good. Let's discuss about overhead projector. Do you know about overhead projector?
Yes, I know. Let me explain to you that what is overhead projector. Overhead projector is capable of projecting enlarged images of written or picture material onto a screen.
Okay.
Do you know what are the parts of overhead projector?
Yes, I know. There are 5 parts of overhead projector. They are lamp and reflector, blower, base mirror, upper section, and projection stage.
Have you ever seen an overhead projector?
Yes, I have seen an overhead projector in our school smart class. Do you know what are the advantages of overhead projector?
Yes, I know what advantage of overhead projector. It enables us to summarize and key highlighted ideas. Do you know any other advantage?
Yes, I know one another advantage of overhead projector. And sure, neither we or our audience will miss any vital point.
Thank you.
Thank you.